Hi everybody, just wanted to show the unboxing of the new Echo Dot. This is the clock version with clock, and it's the 5th generation. So I know with the holidays coming up, I picked this up for Black Friday. They had an amazing deal. I don't know what the price is right now, but I think it retails to about 60 bucks on Amazon with all the amazing deals that are going on right now. Definitely, look into it. I don't know anybody who has it. I just kind of spur of the moment, I picked it up. I do have the original, literally the very first generation Echo Dot, and I love it. This was a game changer when they came out. I'm one of those who loves all the functionality that comes with it, everything that you could do with it. And I forgot when it came out, but like I said, literally picked it up when it came out through Amazon. And this thing is old. It works great. Alexa, how are you doing?
Like a tyranny on an Ekron. I'm on top of the world.
Well, that's right. Well, they got the new Avatar themes going on, which is amazing. Anyways, like I said, I absolutely love my Alexa, and just for the spur of the moment, I wanted to upgrade it to the 5th generation. So I had the first one, and they're all the way to the 5th generation, which kind of blows my mind. So I think that's kind of cool. I'm going to be primarily using it in my room, so thought it would be awesome to have a digital clock and this display that would be so helpful at nighttime. I just hope it's not too bright. I have no idea. Like I said, again, this is an unboxing. I have not used it yet, obviously. It's still sealed. So I have, this is not a video for if it's great or not. It's just, like I said, I'm upgrading it from mine and wanted to show you guys just in case if, somebody wants to pick one up too and they just want to see what this is all about, and if you're looking for it, I know with the clock right now there's only one color, and this is all they have. I prefer the darker versions they have. Like I said, mine was originally black when it came out. There were no color options at that time, but for me, I saw that the one without the clock, the 5th generation without the clock, is the canvas color, something like this, and it looks beautiful, but the clock only comes with this this particular one. It doesn't say on this, I think, but it's actually cloud blue or something it's called, and the other one is white. So there are, I believe, 2 options. I like the blue, so let's see what it looks like. Pretty easy. Gives you the arrows. There we go. It's open. Nice. There you go. These are really simple. I think if you get it from Amazon and you have an Amazon account, if you pick it up from Amazon, it comes with your account already in it, as far as I know. Well, there it is. It's beautiful. I'll put that off to the side. Let me see before we go through it what else is in the box. Looks like a new charger, which is great. Mine was a really basic one for this original one, so this looks like a lot bigger and heftier versus this version. Oh, that makes sense. It's not interchangeable. I just found this out, which is great. These, I'm going to unplug it. This was the original micro charger. I forgot what these are called with the micro ones. Anyways, and this looks like one of those DC cable types. So this is different, because I, without knowing, thought, oh, I'll just leave the other one plugged in and my older one, unplug this and plug this in. Just found out, there we go, you cannot do that. So here's one cool thing that I didn't know and I found out, which is no big deal. Just change this out. That's great. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Here's the button options. I've seen their own demo where supposedly you can tap this and it'll interact, while it displays things. So I think next I'm gonna do, it tells you 1, pair it with your phone, and 2, just plug it in. So I think I'm gonna plug it in a second here. Show you guys. Here's some instructions. Oh, it changes colors depending on the different light rings: blue, orange, yellow, red, purple, green. Really neat. Let's see. And this might be the warranty thing. Yeah, it probably is. I'm gonna put all this aside and let's see what this is plugged in. All right, just getting ready to plug it in. Here's the new plug. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. I like the ring. The ring was on this too, for those who've had this version before, which was really nice because you could see the ring colors and you know exactly what it is. And this one might be pairing, so I have to, get ready to pair it with my network. And let's see how that looks once it's paired up. I think it's just starting, but even at that, it's pretty cool.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar.
Really cool.
Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour.
Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez
Well, it's got all the
l'application
different
Alexa,
languages, so
activez
that's
les
kind of cool.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Estoy conectando el dispositivo. Espera un momento. Connexion de votre appareil.
Nice.
Veuillez patienter.
There we go. So I think it kind of paired since it was already on my account. It might have already paired, but it's really cool. I like it. I like the display. That looks really neat. Let me turn down the brightness of my light.
Your Echo is ready.
Perfect. Hi, Alexa. Alexa, hi.
Hi there.
Again, that's my
Just so you
Avatar
know,
theme.
Avatar.
Yeah.
The Way of Water will be exclusively in theaters soon.
Nice.
And I can make sure you don't miss it.
Perfect.
Just say, remind me to see Avatar on December 16th.
Alexa, remind me to see Avatar on December 16th.
What time December 16th should I remind you?
At noon.
Okay, I'll remind you December 16th at noon.
Perfect. I do like Avatar. I can't wait to watch the new one. Again, shameless plug. But this is really cool. Wow. I like it. It has a little bit of weight to it. Obviously, it's a little bit bigger than the original. And I like the functionality wise. I mean, it looks nice. It's it's round, and the whole thing is a speaker, and it has these buttons. I think it's really cool. Let's see. Yeah, look, that's saying that the mic is off. Oh, and then it lights up on top too, so you could see. I think that's really cool. Because now it's not working. Alexa. Yeah, it's muted. Really cool. There's the, I like it that it shows you the volume.
I'm having trouble hearing. Can you say that again?
Alexa, stop. That's kind of cool. But yeah, you could see, I really like the display, And oh my gosh, the speaker is so much better than the original. I was okay with this. But it's funny because whenever I would listen to music, I would always have it paired up to an external speaker anyways. And I never had a problem about the speaker itself because I wasn't using it. Obviously it wasn't the greatest. It was the first generation. So, but this one, even when I'm turning the volume, I could feel it. I could feel the bass, I could feel it, that little beep. So pretty amazing, I really like it. I definitely don't want to, I was thinking about asking her to play music, but I don't want her to mess up with the YouTube algorithms. But yeah, look, this is amazing. There's the time. It actually is 6:04. So yeah, I'm really excited. So if you're looking to upgrade your Alexa, or you're picking up your first one, I think these are pretty awesome. So here you go. Here it is. It's the Echo Dot 5th generation. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. I like to do little reviews of new items, and or items new to me, I should say. And yeah, drop a comment if you know, you already have this and you like it, or you were looking into getting one and now you see exactly what it looks like. So thank you for watching, guys, and happy holidays, because it's coming up. Take care, everybody.